Hello all. Today we have Masoor Dal ke Pakode. Masoor Dal 1 cup, soaked in water for 3 hours. Grind it. Poi saag leaves, coriander, 1 chopped green chilli, 1 chopped onion, saag. Keep in mind that you can also use palak as well. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, salt, Ajwain 2 pinch, crushed. Mix it properly. Mustard oil. In small amount, fry the mixture. Flip to the other side once you have the golden texture. Your pakoda is ready. Now to soak the excess oil, you can keep it on a tissue paper. Looks good, doesn't it? Let us know your thoughts on the comment section. Like and share this video. And if you're new to this channel, then do subscribe. Thank you.